Hi, welcome to another video podcast, and today I'm going to show you how to select stock using the MetaStock TAVA filter. Now, for those who don't know, TAVA is meaning is trading above volume average. It is one of the most powerful so-called filter that you can use in the KLSC. Reason is because in Malaysia, as we say in our seminar, as well in the book that I wrote, Supercharge, how we can find undervalued stock. I talk about how our market are generally manipulated, and we could see this in actually volume. Now, volume is the most important thing you have to pay attention. Volume and price. So what I've done is I have written a formula called TAVA, trading above volume average, and we use this TAVA to select the stocks that are actually trading above the average volume, because we generally want to see when smart money are beginning to buy into this market, and when they are ready to market higher from the stage 1, the accumulation stage, to stage 2, the markup stage. So you'll see volume coming in, and that's what we want to do this. I'm not sure if there's any other filter out there that does this, because you have to understand the market is very specific to our Malaysian market. So really understanding that how TAVA can bring into picking up the right stock, and from then onwards we want to create a hit list. So of this maybe 20-30 stocks, we want to create a hit list to about 3 or 4 to select on, and that's what we intend to do. So we are up to the selection now, and now what we want to do, if you have a MetaStock, whether it's 7.28, it works just fine. You gotta have a copy, and more importantly, you need to put in your KLSC EOD data. Okay, what do I mean by that? The KLSC EOD data is the end of day data that you need to update it, so you can get the date updated, charts updated like what I have here. So the next thing you want to do now is actually run the TAVA, which is denoted by the binoculars here, or you can go to the tools, the explorer, this case, and here what I want to do now is look at the foundation TAVA. That's the one. And if you were to come to our foundation course, we'll give this TAVA stock filter as part of our cost structure. Okay, we'll click on explore. Now we can see we put in the C drive /metastock/KLSC free, and in there we have 1,527 stocks. Now this is all the KLSC stocks plus bonds, plus bond stocks, plus warrants, plus call warrant A, call warrant B, call warrant C, all the sorts. So we have about 1,527, and we run our filter. Okay, now we are running our filter now. You can see this is the percentage rejected. You can see it's 90, almost, yeah, 90% of the stocks are rejected. So we want to keep with a small list there. Okay, we want to keep it a small list. Now this won't take more than 5 minutes. Now the goal here is to do this on a regular basis, perhaps on a Saturday morning when you have all your data updated for the week. So Saturday you have more time, you run your TAVA filter in the morning over a cup of coffee, like me, you do, and you run scan. Because in our fund management, sometimes when we get clients who open an account with us, and we have a substantial amount coming, so we are looking for stocks to buy. And one of the things that we do, we use TAVA to select the stock first, to do our first filtering, and after that we'll clear it through the fundamental screening. Yeah, okay. Now don't click on OK, click on report. Now what you get here is a list of all the stocks that pass through the TAVA. There's a whole bunch of lists in here, so what I want to do is just sort them by the price. We click on close. Okay, you can see there are many stocks here, and we'll look at them. Some of these are for trading, some of these are for investing. Let me give you an example. Now green packet in here, that's one. This is partly for trading. And then you have a Sunway REITs, maybe this is investing. You can actually open it. There you go, Sunway REITs, Sunway REITs. Now what I want to do now, rather than having this, and I intend to save paper to do a bit of my responsibility for the eco environment, actually I print this in PDF file. Okay, I can print this in PDF. Make sure you have the PDF Adobe installed in your computer to print it. If you can't, just print out a hard copy of the report. Now you just press OK. Okay, I'll just print this to 1. There you go, it's printing out. Click, replace it. Yes, there it goes. Okay, now we're just going to wait for a couple of seconds before the PDF prints out. Okay, won't take long now. There you go. So what we have here is the foundation TAVA explored on the 12th of June 2011. You can see this is the hit list in here. We have how many pages? We have 3 pages. Okay, we have 3 pages in here. And what we want to do, we can actually expand this. Okay, expand this and look for those. Generally, those which is above 2 ringgit tend to be slightly better quality compared to those is below $2. And those slightly below 1 ringgit, we are calling the penny stock. Though you may find some gems in there, but tendency for our client investment, we tend to screen this through using the DynaQuest report, which actually publish 2 publisher a year under Stocks Performance Guide by the company DynaQuest in Penang. This company is run by Dr. Neo Sunket, and he is a very independent researcher, and he has been in this business way long, even before I got into it back in the 1985. And so you can see you get a lot of companies in here. For example, Kencana Petroleum, that's one. So when you do, you just highlight this and jot this down on a little small notebook of yours as a hit list or as a watch list. Kencana, that's another one, maybe worth investing to take a look, is Tan Chong. Right? You can also look at Tenaga. However, these comes out as there are volume coming in, so you still need to do your screening. And what we do, we will actually move back to our MetaStock. Okay, we'll close the file in here. We look at the okay, let me just bring this up again. We'll look for Tenaga. Now we can sort this. Double click here again. It will be sorted by alphabetical order. Now we can look at Tenaga. Okay, open charts. Wow, look at that, Tenaga. I don't like this because you get ultra high volume. Market may look set to retest 680. Let's go to another one. Go back to the Explorer. Click on Report. Okay, don't click on OK, because click on OK, it will run it again. So make sure, okay, make sure you click on Report and not Explore. Yeah, Report. Okay, sort this again. And what was the other list? Kencana. Okay, type K, Shenzhen. Okay, Kencana. There you go. Open chart. There you go. Wow, this is a nice one. You can see market has hit the first high. It became a resistance. The second top, it became a resistance. Now this is the 3rd time. Now that's thing they call 3rd time lucky. So will Kencana break through from the 12th of June onwards? Let's see on Monday, because I'm doing this filter actually on the weekend of the 12th and 13th of June, and see whether it will break higher or not. So this becomes my hit list. I'll prepare my trade, and now my goal is just to pick 2 to 3 of this watch list that I can use on the following Monday or next week trading. That's how we do it. That's all I have for the MetaStock TAVA filter, and thank you for listening and watching. I'll see you next time.